Hold this for you, okay?
Oh.
How do you get your face painted?
She is a
Oh,
You're gonna be a husky? Okay, she's gonna make you a husky, okay?
oh my gosh.
Alright.
And she is girly, right?
Oh, you're so beautiful.
Oh my God.
Live at Zendaya's party is a husky.
That's Molly.
Wow.
I can see you. I'm happy. I come down here.
What do you say? Is this awesome or what?
Can I get you guys?
Hang on there.
Grandma. I can see that. Hello.
See him, honey?
Yeah.
Let me make sure I can see you in the camera. Okay, good.
Did you see it?
Oh, okay.
Look. Look at your face.
Keep your eyes closed, honey, for just a sec. Okay? Eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed. Eyes closed, eyes closed, eyes closed. Eyes closed, eyes closed. Eyes closed, eyes closed. Eyes closed, eyes closed. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Boop, 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 boop. Good job. You want a halfway through peek?
Yeah.
Okay, you look like a white Siberian husky, but you are not. You are the kind with black on it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. So exciting. You guys have already picked two of my favorite ones.
Oh my God.
I don't even know where Zendaya went.
No, this is a foxy.
This is the fox. I don't know where Zendaya went, Brian.
Foxy
And
cool.
I did not know they did a wing something.
What?
They did a wing. That they is the fox.
She is. She's the birthday fox.
You know how many times I've got it in the face lately?
Look at me.
He's being a husky.
Oh, you're gonna be a doggy, like your doggy?
Hey, this is a good idea. Anybody who sits on the stairs will be in the movie.
See,
That
didn't
would
know
be
it was a
cool.
movie.
That would be
I
cool
asked
to
my
have.
daughter to
You
get
can
a
put your heads in
picture.
there.
Put your head in there. It'd be awesome.
Yeah, every now and
Come
then.
here with Grandma.
Come
Take a
visit.
picture with Grandma.
Yeah, let's have you with
You know, I
Grandma.
love you. I want you and me in a picture.
Yeah, we got to be together.
Let's take a picture first.
Hi, man.
Oh boy. Now we have people in your video. It's not just the husky. You want a halfway through peek? Peek. Oh, I gotta put your teeth on before we get too far.
That way I got all of you. I don't have Zendaya yet, but I got all you other ones.
That's cool.
There, I got one with you guys.
The birthday fox
That's all
wanted more
Grandma
puppies
wanted
at the
more.
party.
Yeah, she's got grandma.
for me with them.
He's got unicorn stripes.
Ooh, how cool!
Yeah, sure do, but
You wait till you see that, buddy. Wow. You look like a dog.
You can be a dog.
Isn't that
You
something?
can just grow
He
around.
is a husky.
It's up to something.
You can even go after us. When the dog turned to eat us, he looked so much like that. Oh, he wants to run out. At least I'm gonna be joking when I get this. I'm gonna be wrong way so I can spice him up. I'm gonna be Joker. Oh, we're gonna be happy.
You guys are gonna look cool.
It looks so good.
Yeah.
Keep your chin up high for me so that your face shows up in the movie. Good.
I told him you were staying overnight Friday night. He wants to if you can.
Things above my head.
We'll find out.
You were in Caroline, right? So you actually get to see the.
Isn't that cool?
I still
Blah,
Oh, yeah.
I said, well, I said,
blah.
obviously you didn't go inside the box, so I said, or you would have took the company truck.
You're being so good,
He
too.
is. Okay, close mouth gently. Close mouth like this.
All the files on it too?
Don't run this way, guys.
Easy, baby, because she's working.
No running, no, that, no.
That worked out well.
Good job. Good job.
I mean, other than you having.
Yeah, he looks looking good.
Well,
Look at that husky.
You need a nose.
Oh, I see a new dog I want.
Uncle's coming.
It's, my goodness, Grammy loves
Huskies.
huskies.
It might not even recognize you.
I can't wait to see Joker.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Oops.
Ooh, good job. You look so doggy. can do goldfish.
That's okay.
Because
You want a sneak peek? Okay, puppy peek. Woof.
having goldfish, that's the only way I can do it.
You are
I
nice.
used to have the
What's in
Jack Dempsey's and
What,
I love
honey?
the ones, but they like the
I said you got
What'd you say?
That's a good idea.
Guys, Matt and
Matt, no way.
we're not playing tag anymore.
Just tell everybody you're
Once everything's done, then you guys can run around, okay?
Yeah, when there's a
All right,
house.
awesome.
Good, nice and still while I do your puppy teeth.
Yeah, he said he gave us 15
How cool.
And
Let me save the bright orange.
close mouth gently.
Love it.
Look at that.
Doggy nose.
Dogs have black lips, okay?
Doggy nose.
They do. If you check any dog, that's what you're gonna find. I think.
No.
I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go with it. You are so cute. Close mouth again, just gently. Good. Oh, good. People are on the stairs to make our video more exciting.
Gotta make sure you make the right
What are you gonna do, bud?
Okay, so you're gonna get to do duck, duck, goose.
Boys, you better get in here.
That's right. I'm gonna take some puppy pictures first.
Shut that door.
Because we gotta take a picture of our beautiful
You look so good.
presenting, the one, the only, the birthday husky. Woo! Okay, let me see ya.